Hello, welcome. Today you are going to learn how to write a number in scientific form or standard form or scientific notation, whatever may be the name. Very large numbers and very small numbers can be written in standard forms. Okay, what is the standard form of writing a number? You are going to learn today. If the question is express the following numbers in standard form or scientific notation, both are same. Or scientific notation, both are same. Okay? What is this? Suppose the number is 78432. If this is the given number, if you have to express this in standard form, what you have to do is, after one place, means non-zero digit, this is 7 is a non-zero digit. After 7 this side, put a decimal, then 8432, you see here no decimal is there. That means the meaning of this is 0. 9, meaning of 9 means 9.0. That means no decimal means decimal is towards the right end. Okay. What you have done? We have put the decimal here. That means this decimal from right to left, 4 places right to left it moved. So this into 10 to the power 4. Simple example let me give you. 25. If I write 2 into 5, only after one place I put the decimal. 10, only 10. So when you multiply 25, 10 is 250. After one place decimal means 25 you are getting or not. One more example let me give you. 3-digit number. 346. 3.46. Here 10 to the power 1. So 2 places this side. Here decimal is not, no decimal means decimal is here. Here I put the decimal. That means 2 places from right to left we have moved decimal. So this is 10 square. So let us open and see. 3.46 into 100. That means 34600. After 2 places decimal, you are going to get 346. Yes or no? So now let me explain you with very clear example for many numbers. Okay? How to express the numbers? 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I gave a 7-digit number. How to express this in the standard form or scientific notation? Let me explain you. What scientific notation means, just after one place from this side, decimal is to be there. Then 10 to the power, how many digits, after how many places there is a decimal from this side, you have to write that. Okay? This means, let me write 4 point. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. Before 6 places we have done. So all these digits you write 5, 6, 3, 2, 9, 8 into 10 to the power 6. Same number. Suppose the decimal is 45632.9.8. The decimal is here. But scientific standard form, if you want to write, you have to bring the decimal to here only, after one place only. So this decimal will be moving 5 places from right to left. So you will have 4.563298 into 10 to the power 5, because it moved 5 places towards to the left, from right to left. Suppose the decimal is here. 45632.98 is there. This decimal has to come here. 1, 2, 3, 4 places it has to move. So same 4.563298 into 10 to the power 4. Because the decimal is here. The decimal moved 4 places towards left. The decimal moved 4 places from right to left. Now 4, 5, 6, 3. Suppose the decimal is here 298. Then the decimal has to move 3 places this side. So you will have 4.563298 into 10 to the power 3. Again, suppose the decimal is here. 456.3298. Then we will have 4 point. This decimal has to move 2 places to this side. So 4.563298 into 10 square. Suppose the decimal is here. 45.63298. Then decimal has to move only 1 place to the left. You will have 4.563298 into 10 to the power 1. Suppose the decimal is here 4.563298. This itself is a standard form. Children, very important thing you are going to learn here. You have to note this point. Suppose this number is given to you and your question is express this in standard form. Standard form means the number after 1 place decimal be into 10 to the power something you have to write always. So same thing 4.563298 because decimal is at proper place into 10 to the power 0. You know that any number to the power 0 is 1. But here we have to show 10 into 10 to the power something. So 10 to the power 0 is 1. So any number into 1 gives you same number. Okay? Now much more interesting thing you are going to learn. If the decimal is here 0.456298. Now what happens? This decimal has to move 1 place from left to right. That means 4.563298. The decimal from left to right when it moves, you have to have 10 to the power minus 1. 1 place from left to right it moved, so power minus 1. Right to left is power 1. If 1 place, right to left power 1. 1 place left to right is power minus 1. Okay? Same way, if it is 0.04563298. Again, I told you decimal is to be after one non-zero digit. So after this we cannot put 4 point only, we have to put 4.563298 into, here the decimal 2 places from left to right it is moving. So 10 to the power minus 2. If the decimal is 0.00456328, same way 4.563298 into the decimal, this decimal is moving 3 places towards right is 10 to the power minus 3. So this is a standard form of writing the numbers or scientific notation. If the question is express this number in the standard form or scientific notation, means this is the way you have to do. I hope means every different same number means irrespective of decimal number is same. Yes or no? At different places the decimal I have explained you. Everywhere you say this is same because after 1 place only you have to put decimal. After 1 non-zero digit. I hope with this what is standard form of writing the numbers or scientific notation is clear to you. Okay? Please go through it. Very, very important. Okay? I believe you understood. Thank you.